So, wear the suit if you don't want to get sting. And the next time, if you don't want the bees them rush you, I smoke you smoke them.
Come on!
Not spray them. King man!
Go on!
I go on my general. Go on and get the suit you.
Wait. You have a new soldier on the farm, man.
I want to tell you, so it's more than just a soldier, you know.
Yeah?
Family, you know.
You serious?
Nephew.
And when they never go out the road, you did?
Yes, man. From them time then, last time I see the youth in a King man about 3 years old, you know. My brother they up there try to deal with it, but I don't know if you hear about a thing going on now. Tapping this one, a phone thing.
Me I gotta tell you some steam thieves round on the block. Once or twice.
I think they did involve in a man. I want to tell you, say, a Mullins serum coming up. Because Mullins get to take him and lock him in a detention, you know?
Father Mullins, he never fail for surprise with Pleasant Day. You know?
A real life, man. So my day with him, I try teaching the ropes, but I tell you, brother, it's a task.
Don't worry. It was a task to get you to know the ropes too. We were once there.
Real talking, brother.
Right.
So what go?
Done there, you know.
Yeah.
Yo. So where really are going?
Brother, I don't know if you hear what reach you, you know.
Yeah, me I hear a little thing. That's why my father come link you here.
And them invade the farm, brother. Beat up on woman. Right now, I don't know if she can forward back on the farm in the car, but she tell me, so she feel like me involved in some things and it could have cost her her life and a bag of things, brother. And I tell you, so it mash me up, you know.
You know, say, in a strange kind of way, I kind of feel responsible for what goes on, you know.
They are talking about king. I feel
No, don't get it twisted. I know we do the right thing. And I know we have the right motive. But the consequence sometimes, the collateral damage, you see?
But you and me as a king. If them brazen enough for forward on the farm, you say, you have to watch yourself too, you know.
Listen, I personally have a check Father Mullins and I have a make it easy. Look here, you're going to fix this, I'm going to fix it, even if you're going to spend the rest of your life. Can't take more than 2 steps in any direction. Because this we can't live with. This is when a man start move to women for. That's an our code.
Brother, you were going up a hilltop.
Then the boy wanna come on my place a gloat and that style. I'm going to fix him. But him there knows say I chew me hand tight.
I know, sir. The youth and I read it. And me feel responsible for that. It's the same way you say you feel responsible for what going on with me. I feel responsible because of me carry the iguana and them go give him and tell him say let them go and make sure say take the picture of them and the video, brother.
And again, I can bring back your statement to you. You don't have the reason to feel responsible. It was the right thing for the right motive.
But Kingman are not like me, brother. The man them move to the farm and me never there and the woman get brush up, but that is a life this in a brother. Them baby mother dead there, no youth dead there, no man.
And you see that is why we are going to fix this numbers between me, you, and Father Mullins, because it's either I'm going to give it a go ahead and look away while we deal with this, or I'm going to get a cap on it, ASAP. Gunshot, a gunshot.
You know him circle me the other day though.
Yeah?
Yeah, and tell me say if I see any strange face down on the flat, I feed people them.
Oh! You know, say, it's a good thing me a man when I move too jumpy. Because I see a couple of figures and maybe a head. But, you know, I kind of Jimmy did it and go like me now observe what go on. Glad for the heads up still.
Did you call you still to tell us if you're forward? Hold on there, hold on.
I share 5 beats on our uncle.
Chase,
Yeah.
brother, I'm gonna tell you put on the suit.
No,
Hold on.
Kerosene.
Kerosene, brother.
It around the bees.
Go on, my son. Just don't go by B section. Here, go on. Just call yourself, my son come talk.
Curse.
I'm gonna tell you say it's a handful, brother.
You have your work cut
Tell
out.
you say it's a
You
handful.
have your work cut out.
Yeah.
But him have a good vibe.
Yeah, man. I just want him to focus, brother. I tell you. And I want to tell you, I don't want to send him in a field person's cars. We don't know what on the farm the other day. And he chose a little attic. And I want him to read the wrong way. And I'm going to say I leave them up on the flat and leave to them. So that's why I'm doing it to set up.
Make a whole heap of sense.
Yeah. So you know here when the youth up he'll tap on a berry.
But if you tell him truth, me in some dialogue with Dida. Because I don't know how she and my on the ground. So watch his style. She said she gonna make me know what I think. You know? Then she was a police case. Then I wait till the post-mortem. The autopsy rather.
Yeah.
Before the family get the body. So they can't make funeral plans until then. But if I don't lie, Wednesday forward are the candlelight. So they don't know. Probably send a strength or give them a reach. I'll probably send a few back like rum or something. I'll give them.
I'll send some food up, man. I'll send some meat and some
so them can go out with that thing, make a pot of soup or something. You see?
But we can't leave this on Mr. Mullins said, if you love it, because he's not going to deal with it. But like I said, mark the left on the body up there. An X with a zero, like a zero around it. And if I remember, so back in the day, when the father used to do certain brushings, and the mark them used to leave. That means that he do it personally then.
And he must send a message to I and I because he knows that I and I used to roll the whole man. I don't know the man.
King man, watch your back in it. In real life, I'm a general, watch your back in because the brother here look like him out for trouble. It's a decent piece of food in use up there.
I know that. But guess what? From the get-go, I didn't expect trouble. I can tell you one thing. If you come in after me, better pack lunch.
Cheers! Cheers! Yo, what?